Yeah. Rumors. Yeah, we the word up on the street. They talk about you and me. Let's start some rumors. Rumors.
Video lang.
No, I don't know where they came from, but I'm always down to make some rumors. Rumors. Yeah, they saw me sneaking out your crib last night, 3 a.m. to catch a flight. Driving through your hood, paparazzi got me good. We like stars, yeah, baby, they're astronomers. Look at everybody camping out with their binoculars. All up in the headlines, me and the wifey, but let them gossip, girl, Blake Lively. I don't know where they're getting their news, but I'm not mad if tonight it goes true. Ooh, let's start some rumors. I wanna start some rumors with you. With you, with you.
Bakit mo piniling mag-aral sa paaralan?
Dahil maganda ang pagkitungo ng mga guro namin and maganda ang facility ng room dito sa school na to.
Ano ang iyong unang karanasan noong bago ka pa lang sa school?
Naniniba ako kasi ako dahil hindi ko pa alam yung mga gagawin ko at harapin ko pang mga hamon.
Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na naranasan mo bilang estudyante?
Ang pinakamalaking hamon na naharap ko is ang mga mahirap na mga pieces na ibinigay ng mga teachers sa amin.
Oh my God, tell me everything. We like stars, yeah, baby, they're astronomers. Look at everybody camping out with their binoculars. All up in the headlines, me and the wifey, but let them gossip, girl, Blake Lively. I don't know where they're getting their news, but I'm not mad if tonight it goes true. Ooh, let's start some rumors. I wanna start some rumors.
Sir, anong masasabi mo tungkol sa ABS bilang isang guro?
Ano ba yung masasabi ko? Well, una muna, siyempre papasalamat ako dahil dito ako na-assign as teacher or guru as a teacher ng ICT. Masasabi ko about the school, well, katulad ng tagline niya, it inspires excellence. So, lahat ng mga teachers dito are very competent, and most especially yung lalo na sa Mascon High School, I know na lahat doon, masasabi ko, competent sila. At for sure, lahat ng mga graduates namin ay malayo ang malalating. Basta graduate sila dito sa AVHS.
Bilang isang estudyante sa AVHS School, kailangan din natin mag-enjoy kagaya nila.
Ego.
Ano ang nakita mo sa ABHS na wala sa dati mong school?
Mas malawak dito kaysa sa dati kong school at maraming pwede dito sa ABHS at maraming bumili.
Pagdating ng mga events, paano nyo inaalok ang mga estudyante sa ABHS?
Naging part naman ako ng mga events sa ABHS wherein sa mga pageant and nasilayan ko sa mga mata ko na masaya ang mga estudyante nung nakakita sila ng mga pageant wherein parang doon mo nasusukat yung mga kooperasyon ng mga estudyante sa kanilang representative sa mga pageant at doon ko sila nasisilayan na masaya sila sa mga timpalak na ginagaganap dito sa ABHS.
Bilang isang journalist, ano ang mga karanasan mo dito sa ABHS?
Bilang isang journalist, yung may masasabi ko lang iisa ay marami akong masayang moments na nagawa dito sa ABHS kagaya ng na-meet ni Haidon at saka si Jiro. Ang masasabi ko rin ay na-meet ko si Sir Plinko, isang transferees teacher na tinuruan ako paano maging journalist. Kung wala siya, hindi ko natutunan paano ang maging anchor or mag-broadcast. Sa environment naman dito sa ABHS ay nakakamangha kasi ang dami-daming tao na nakilala ko. Sir Neo, as senior high school coordinator, what can you say about the others teachers in ABHS?
What can I say about the other teachers in ABHS? I can say that
Danilo responded how good teachers are in their profession. In his eyes, he sees a bright future for other students.
excellent
performance in teaching. About
As a teacher of one of yourself, what is your purpose in ABHS?
what is my purpose as a teacher? I am an educator, therefore I need to educate students like you. As a designated coordinator of the senior high school, I am looking for the best benefit of my efforts by advising them and ensuring that they are doing their work properly. Was also the mandate of the education, Department of Education is properly implemented in the school.
Do you think all of the students in ABHS will be successful one day?
That is the number one goal of our department. That our students will become successful, but surely not 100% because the factor is it's the decision of the student if they want to become successful someday. We cannot force them if they don't like to become successful. They can only be successful if they will be continuing their studies, most especially in college, and they will pursue getting stable job, good job, so that they can earn money and they can become successful.
Ating, bilang isang graduate from grade 6, anong masasabi mo sa ABHS?
Para sa akin, ang ABHS ay isang magandang paaralan, maganda ang salikasan, malinis, at marami rin akong kilala rito, maraming nagsasabing maganda rin ito. Mababait ang mga teachers, mababait ang students, at overall maganda po kami.